Hey everybody, in this Wired Wednesday episode, I'm going to show you a way how to help yourself organize in Google Classroom, show you some shortcuts, and then also a little extra bonus tip at the end. Right up here, you have your search bar. And of course, you can search by people, you can search by a different type of document. So let's get in here and say, all right, I want to hit advanced search and I want to find only folders. And so then it'll give you this and you can say, all right, I'm looking for my freshman year folders. And then, hey, I've got a folder that's freshman year and it's got all my class periods in there. You could then, right click on that and you can change the color of those based off of, the Roy G. Biv, or you could change it for maybe your teacher's favorite color, or you could change it to the color of like the notebook that you have that matches with the folder that you have here. So I'm going to just change this one I'll change this to green. Okay, then there are shortcuts built into Google Drive. Right here, if you click on if you click on this gear right here, and you go to keyboard shortcuts, there are tons of different shortcuts all through here. I'm going to show you my favorite. So my favorite is just when you click on this folder or a folder and you hit N, it's going to pop up and it is going to help you rename it. So you don't have to go right click and rename. You can just do that. So let's say I have Mr. Edison for third period, and he's my business teacher. Okay. And then let's say I'm going to rename this by clicking N. And let's say I have Mr. Ponder for engineering class. That's me, by the way. My other favorite shortcut is when you just hit the period button, it pops up with some sharing. So you can easily share it with a team or a teacher, or if you're sharing with partners, you can easily do that too. All right. But wait, there's more. You know how on Google Drive you have this customize, and you can easily customize, landscapes and done. And whenever you open a new one, there we go, and hit done, and it opens a new one, and it makes things all nice and pretty. Well, did you also know that you can hit this turn on, and it will refresh the picture each day, which is a nice change to wake up to each day. But wait, there's more. Let's say you have a schedule that is a new schedule, or you're home during virtual learning. You might want to make a slide here and bring in the schedule that you're working on. And just kind of a heads up, bring your photo down almost an inch, about 3/4 of an inch from the top here and about an inch from the bottom. So it's safe to go like an inch from the top, an inch from the bottom with your image. Then go ahead and hit File, File, Download JPEG. Then go ahead and switch over to your Google, hit this Customize button on the bottom right, upload your image. Then every time you open a new Google tab, you're just reminded of your schedule so that you can check your time and you can make sure you're in class or in your meetings all at the right time. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.